She has taken the sports world by storm.
Now little Hailey is inspiring others.
I love seeing her games when she throws it. I've been trying to practice that.
We sit down with Wonder Woman, another Valley girl who's learning and growing just like Hailey as she gets her new 3D printed hand.
Atta girl!
That was Hailey Dawson throwing out the first pitch at UNLV baseball's home opener. And you may remember Hailey. She has a 3D printed robotic hand that was made by UNLV Engineering students.
Last year, her mission to throw out the first pitch at every major league ballpark went viral. And Fox5's Eric Hilt caught up with her again today and has more on how Hailey is inspiring other young girls. Eric.
Yeah, Hailey was born with a rare birth defect called Poland syndrome, and her right hand wasn't fully developed. About 3 years ago, UNLV made her a 3D printed hand, and it didn't take long for her to get attention from all over the world. But for one Valley family, Hailey became an inspiration.
No, this is goggles.
It's been a busy few months for 7-year-old Hailey Dawson and the 3D printed robotic hand that the students at UNLV's College of Engineering created just for her.
Please welcome 7-year-old Hailey Dawson.
After her story went viral, she threw out the first pitch during the World Series.
On the corner.
It's probably the coolest experience we've had as a family.
She dropped the puck for the Vegas Golden Knights, and through it all, she's been an inspiration to other kids facing challenges.
Whenever I tell her she inspires people, she always tells me, I'm just being me.
One of those kids is Sophia.
I love seeing her games when she throws it. I've been trying to practice that.
7-year-old Sophia was born with a birth defect, a lot like Hailey's.
My regular hand, it's kind of like small, and like I could still do things with it, but it's like I don't have my other fingers.
About a year ago, her sister saw Hailey on TV and immediately called their mom.
As soon as I watched it, I got excited. Sophia got excited.
She got a hold of me through Facebook. And so then I talked to the team and asked if they would do it for her.
When they called us, they didn't want to work with us. Yes, excitement arose, and I was like, I'm ready.
UNLV Engineering grad student Maria Girardi was ready too.
This is where all the magic happens.
She helped create Hailey's hand, but says Sophia's was a whole new challenge.
Hailey's hand, she had the whole palm and it was flatter, where Sophia's is more like a fist, so it didn't fit in the hand that we were using for Hailey, so we had to start from scratch.
After months of measurements and tests, Scratch turned into this. A Wonder Woman robo hand to go with Sophia's Halloween costume.
It helps me like grab things. Like it feels like I have two hands.
I have a lot of pride for my girl, and I'm happy for her. When she has the hand there, it gives her more confidence to do more.
But Sophia didn't just get a new hand. She got a new friend, too.
They're so close and they're friendly. They love each other.
When they first met, it was just this bond.
That they're meant to know each other, be friends.
And meant to offer each other a helping hand as they grow up.
Hailey and Sophia, they're two of a kind.
So what's next for the girls? Well, Sophia says math is her favorite subject, and someday she wants to become an engineer too. Hailey plans on throwing the first pitch out at more MLB ballparks this season. John and Christine?
Very cool. What an awesome story, Eric. Thanks for sharing that with us.